Yeah, I don't think cricket is quite there yet. There's still a lot of players that probably end up, when they finish playing, I think that those first 2-3 years after playing, I think it can be very daunting. So what we've tried to do, and Cricket South Africa, there's a Players Association, SACA. So they engage with all the players on a consistent basis. There's opportunities to study. There's opportunities to learn different skills. So we just motivate the players to take those opportunities and make sure that you upskill yourself, because they never know how long this career is going to be as a cricketer. Maximum, if you're very lucky, you might play till 35, even get to 40, the odd player, but that's it. There's going to be an end to this, and then you need to be ready to step into a new career without losing too much ground. So I think for us, it's a continuous reminder to every single player that make use of these opportunities, because you don't know when it's going to stop.